Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Apple ID is active and iCloud is enabled. This links items to your account. Once done, enable Bluetooth and location services so the item can be detected. Plug in or keep battery above 20% to avoid interruptions. Now open the Find My app and choose devices or items, depending on what you add. Tap the Add button to begin pairing. This initiates the search and starts broadcasting. It's essential for secure, discoverable connections. You bring the item near your iPhone or iPad because proximity speeds discovery. Follow the device's pairing prompts without skipping confirmations. When prompted, give the item a clear name and pick an icon. This helps later identification. Set notifications to be alerted when it's found or left behind. Choose immediate or timed alerts. Make sure the app shows a confirmation and displays the last seen location. If it doesn't, repeat pairing steps or move closer and try again. You finalize by testing. Play a sound or enable lost mode for a moment to confirm responsiveness. This proves the item communicates with your account and updates its status. If it fails, toggle Bluetooth, restart your phone, then try pairing again. These steps clear common connectivity glitches. Make sure the app shows battery status and location history. That information validates ongoing tracking. If problems persist, check firmware updates for the accessory and, if needed, reset it to factory settings before re-adding.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.